Alright, let's unbox the Acer Aspire. I ordered it on Amazon Prime. As you can see, came within 3 days. Wow, they gave me a pen. What is this? And this warranty card. Warranty now. It says in here, battery, keep it away from hot spaces. Let's go. Let's open this box and see what's inside. Here you can see SR laptop. Okay, let's unbox the SR laptop. Let's see what we got inside this thing. Alright, let's see. So this is how it came with what is this? Okay, it's the adapter is the charger. So this is what we use to charge, and this is the manual. It has everything. Okay, and there's another one. This one is probably how to use the laptop. I mean Aspire 3. Instructions on how to use the charger and everything. And then we have another one. What is this? Is this, if you have any question you can ask them. They have their number in here, and you see there's some bolts. I don't know why they are here, but we'll see later. Okay, let's open this thing. Alright guys, look at this. Alright, this is the laptop I ordered. Whoa, it's not plastic. I mean, it's pretty hard. I think it is plastic, but it feels different, you know. It feels different. Look at this. It has a battery, and we got the jacks on the sides. And let's open this. They gave me this thing. What is this? I don't know what it is. This is how it looks like. So maybe it won't turn on, but let's just see if it turns on. It does turn on. Well, not entirely. Quad core processor, i15 Aspire 3 laptop. Why is turning on? I have to open an account. This, it's really not that big. It's I thought it'd be bigger, so they say, but it seems big, but it's not actually that big.
Is that right?
It's searching my region. Yes, it is. It's just setting up everything.
Want to stick with that?
Yes. Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Okay.
You can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as... Now type your credentials.
They gave me this pen. This is great. I didn't have one of these before. It's gonna be quite helpful to write, but it's not
Mission
skin touch, you
accomplished.
know?
You're all
It's
inked up.
not skin touch.
Now we have some important setup to do.
This laptop is really good. It's better than my previous laptop.